Hello, creative friends. This is Rebecca, and I have another free file for you if you want to test it out. Again, this is for this device, the Colop eMark Create. And again, as you can tell, I've just had so much fun with this, and it's sparked all kinds of creativity. So there are images that come with this for free, and then if you bought this through HSN, there were some free images, and you can also get clip art from online, but sometimes the clip art is in a weird size that just does not work for this device. So I have had some fun with just basic images, and they, even just really basic shapes and images, and then seeing them come to life with this little printer. So this particular file, if you'd like to try it out, it's at RebeccaMadeIt.com /retro oval image. And again, it's just a real simple file, but it's sized specifically for this little printer. So if you wanted to try this out on a phone, again, I'm on an Android phone, I just long press the image on this website, and I have the option to download the image. On a PC, you could right click and save as, I think. And then once that image is downloaded, then I do have my Create app already open. So I'm going to go in and make sure that it will connect again to my printer. Again, whenever you're on the internet to get the file, you'll be on your Wi-Fi settings probably, and then as soon as you open this app, it takes you off your normal Wi-Fi and puts you on the Wi-Fi for this device. And so you'll always want to make sure you check in here if it's connected or not connected. So mine says it's currently not connected. It was, and then when I went to the website, it kicked me off. And so it's not connected. So I'm going to tell it to connect. And this takes several seconds for it to refresh. And you may hear your device beeping. Again, it won't work if your device is off, if there's no lights on here. So let me move this. That's all you have to do is just simply lift it to turn it on, and then we will try that again. So it still says it's not connected, so I'm going to click connect, and it may beep at us, and sometimes this takes a minute to refresh the interface, or sometimes it'll actually be connected even though it'll still say not connected. So let me see if I can. I was going to try to refresh this image, but I think we may be okay. I am going to go to my imprints, and I'm going to pick an existing imprint so that I can duplicate that, and then it will ask if I want to edit that duplicate, and I'm going to say yes, or okay. And then whatever that imprint was, I'm going to just click on it and then delete that image and confirm the delete. And now we want to go in and add our new image that we just downloaded, the retro oval file. And I went to add, I'm going to choose image to photo. And hopefully you'll be able to see it on your menu somewhere, download folder, perhaps in your photos folder. Every phone is a little bit different, but hopefully you'll be able to see the image. And I've been testing this out, so I may have some from previous, but I'm going to go in and just select that image, and you'll see it comes in hopefully perfectly sized for your imprint. And then you can make it smaller. You could rotate if you want to just get just a small section of it. You could rotate it 90 degrees. And then, of course, we can change the color. So I'm going to go in and change the color. So I'm going to edit image. And I was playing with some of these retro colors earlier. So, well, what I would call retro colors. Any of these colors are fine. But I'm going to go in and choose one of these turquoise colors. I think they're really pretty. And then I'm going to click back to get back to the main menu. You should be able to just save that image. And then also from this screen, we can send that to the printer. And you could do it continual. I am not going to do continual, so I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to use center alignment and then send that to the printer. You may not have gotten that screen pop up. You can always get into the settings on the top left if you want to turn on and off continual marking. And so it should be, if it was in fact connected, it should be sending the imprint. And it does tell me it was sent, and so we are ready to go. So I did change the color. That's a little bit of a dark turquoise, but that way you'll be able to see what it looks like normally. This would be fun. Again, you could do this on the diagonal. You could do it up and down. This would be a nice one, I think, to layer. And then ultimately, I think it would be fantastic to layer with multiple colors. But then also, let me show you, if you have some washi tape nearby, if you overlap, it will do you know, more of a saturated color there, which I think is really neat, especially if you get two different colors. But check this out, you could also set this up where it will not print on washi tape. Washi tape will act as the resist. And so I'm just gonna see if I can show you kind of the effect I was going for here. Yeah. And then if we take this washi tape off, got that tight. If we take this washi tape off, and you're probably ahead of me here, you could come back with another color and put in the gap and do it vertical. So I am going to close out of this. We will go back to my imprints. We should have it saved there. I'm going to click on it to edit, and then let's change the color. And so it's selected, so we can edit image. Again, we've got lots of different colors here. I'm going to choose orange, do back, get back to the main screen, and hit save. And then also we should be able to go ahead and send to the printer from here, which it did. Okay, so this will be in orange or not. Doesn't look like it sent that correctly, so let me see. Let's try that again. Let's say send, because it's showing orange on the screen, so let me try to send that again. It says it was sent, and it's showing orange on the screen, so let's try and see what happens. There we go. Now it's printing in that beautiful orange. It is doing continual, but that's okay. You can turn that on and off. And then you have the ability to overlap these, and I think you could get some really nice effects. Again, let me see if, now I don't know if this positioning is going to work while I'm on camera, but let me just see if I can show you. Yeah, a little bit. So you get the idea there of what you can do. Yeah, neat. And depending on where you space that out, you can get really nice, crisp, clean effect if you just cover an area of it with washi tape. So, all right, excellent. Well, I hope you enjoy exploring with this one. I've had so much fun creating these. So this is, I've got piles of paper everywhere. and junk mail has all been decorated. So, thanks for watching.